The Southern Cross Station, located in Melbourne, is a major railway station and transport hub in Australia. The Kanazawa Station in Japan's Ishikawa province has been constantly rated as one among the top beautiful stations of the world. The Antwerp Central Station is notably one of the world's most amazing railway stations. A masterpiece of modern architecture and one of the biggest and most beautiful railway stations in Europe, it itself is a big tourist attraction in the busy streets of Berlin, Germany. Started in 1910, designed by British architect A.B. Hubbock, the construction of the station was completed in 1917. Another amazing railway station of the world, popularly called as Gare de Strasbourg, is to be found in France. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus is the busiest transportation hub of India, formerly called Victoria Terminus. Its history dates back to 19th century when it was designed by Frederick William Stevens, an English architect. St. Pancras Railway Station. This amazing historic station, celebrated for its Victorian architecture, was constructed between 1864 and 1868 in London, avoided a demolition in 1960s, and was rebuilt and renovated in 2000. Any first-timer at Station Atocha, in the Spanish capital of Madrid, will surely be baffled by looking at it for the first time, unable to know whether it is a miniature jungle or a train station. This monumental railway station was built in 1913 for the New York and Harlem Railroad Company, and now it serves as a transportation hub connecting metro, car and pedestrian traffic and trains in a very efficient way. It is the world's largest rail facility, and the station has 44 platforms serving 67 tracks along them in 2 levels.